What's good, YouTube? It's your boy gavofpairanormal back with another custom video. Today we're working on a pair of Yeezy 500s inspired by the man himself, Kanye West. Yes, he may be controversial at times and even detrimental to his brand. You got to give it to him. The man's a genius. So if you want to see how I put all that together on a shoe, alright, so starting out with the mustard paint, we're going to go ahead and paint the tongue, then move to the midsole. Then we're going to hit the eyelets and finish up with the heel. After that, we're going to start working on the upper of the shoe with this bluish paint. Moving on to the midsection and the toe box as well. Now we're going to put down our base coat of paint, as always, for the red paint that will be coming after. Hey, just popping in real quick. Remind you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We definitely growing. I appreciate it. And let's get back into the video. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the midsection towards the upper of the shoe, where we're going to paint in this mesh with the red paint.
Magnificent.
Alright, now we're going to swing around to the back of the shoe with the exact same mixture. Lastly, we're going to go back to the tongue section, but we're going to paint that mesh with the red paint as well. Now we're going to hit these two holes here with olive paint. And using the same olive paint, we're going to hit the midsection of the shoe. Alright, we're going to hit the heel as well. Now moving to the next mesh section of the shoe, we're going to go ahead and hit that front part with purple. Now that that's complete, we're going to start working on the sock liner. Alright, so now we're going to go back to the midsection of the shoe and show you guys the final product. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of this video. As we see the final product, I'm going to go ahead and give you a motivational quote. You have to be able to see yourself. You have to be able to see it when no one else can see it. You have to visualize where you want to be and claim it. See you guys next time. Peace.